You're in a boat, navigating through stormy seas. The waves are crashing, the wind howling. Around you, others panic, their boats tossing wildly, some even capsizing. But not you. You've got a map, a clear vision, and the know-how to steer through the turmoil. That's what a recession feels like in the economic world. Chaotic, unpredictable, frightening recessions. That single word conjures images of plummeting stock graphs, alarming headlines, widespread fear, unemployment, and bankruptcy. It paints a picture of economic despair, where businesses collapse, jobs vanish, and life savings disappear. Yet amidst this apparent chaos and loss, some not only survive, but thrive. Why is it that Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest individuals globally, welcomes recessions? Or why did companies like Netflix and Dollar Tree not only endure, but also expand exponentially during such times? What if I told you that you, yes you, could not only weather this storm, but also sail ahead faster and emerge wealthier than you were before it began? What if in the midst of this chaos, you could find a path not just to safety, but to prosperity? While many see recessions as periods of inevitable loss, a select few view them as ripe with opportunity. What do they know that others don't? How do they transform financial turbulence into personal triumph? In the next 10 minutes, we're going to unveil the strategies that can not only safeguard your assets, but also propel your financial growth during and after a recession. Are you ready to be one of the few who thrives when the economy dives? In a world where economic stability seems like a distant memory, understanding the mechanics of a recession becomes your greatest tool. Each coffee you purchase, every service you utilize, contributes to the nation's gross domestic product, or GDP. But when collective belts tighten and spending stops, the GDP contracts, and the domino effect on jobs and businesses is immediate and brutal. A recession isn't just a headline. It's a reality that affects millions. Unemployment rates soar as businesses, unable to sustain the downturn, close their doors for good. The visuals you see are more than numbers. They represent dreams deferred and livelihoods lost. Think of the last time you heard about layoffs or saw a closed sign on a shop you loved. That's the human side of the economic equations we're discussing. It's real and it impacts real lives, perhaps even someone close to you. But here's where your story diverges from the typical narrative. While recessions spell hardship, they also clear the ground for new growth, making room for innovation and new investments. With the right knowledge, what seems like an end can actually be a powerful beginning. So how do we shift from seeing only loss to recognizing and seizing opportunity? Recessions, while challenging, are fertile ground for the astute observer, ripe with opportunities for those who can see beyond the immediate chaos. Financial icons like Warren Buffett, along with enterprises such as Apple and HubSpot, showcase how embracing downturns as a buyer's market has led to increased fortunes and rapid expansions when others retracted. This pattern isn't accidental. Historical analysis reveals that over 50% of Fortune 500 companies were founded during recessions or bear markets, capitalizing on reduced competition and lower resource costs. Venturing into investments during recessions requires more than just optimism. As market volatility increases, consumer spending decreases, and economic uncertainty escalates, the risks become significantly higher. Thorough research, a clear understanding of your financial limits, and most critically, a well-thought-out exit strategy are vital. Without these safeguards, even the most promising opportunities can lead to substantial financial losses. It's not just the big players who can find success. Many small investors and entrepreneurs have found their footing during these times. By identifying niches left unfilled by larger corporations, or by offering more affordable services and products, even individual investors can carve out profitable paths. Could this be your opportunity to lay the groundwork for future success? The key is to understand that when the economic tide pulls back, it's also gathering strength to surge forth with new possibilities. Imagine the possibilities if you could identify just one such opportunity. How might that change your financial landscape? While many react to recessions with panic, freezing financially or making hasty decisions, the well-prepared view these economic downturns as strategic opportunities to advance their financial goals. The cornerstone of thriving in any economic downturn lies in building a solid financial foundation when times are good. This involves living below your means, aggressively increasing your savings, and consistently improving your credit score. Start by assessing your current financial health. Eliminate unnecessary expenses and focus on building an emergency fund that can cover at least 6 months of living expenses. This financial buffer grants you the freedom to make strategic moves when others are constrained by financial pressures. While the average person may see their savings dwindle due to inaction, your proactive financial management positions you to capitalize on lower asset prices when they arise. Consider the case of Apple during the 2008 financial crisis when its stock prices plummeted. Those who recognized the temporary undervaluation and invested at that time witnessed significant returns as the company surged to new heights in the years that followed. With a robust financial base, shift your focus to the markets. The key to profitability during a recession is identifying undervalued assets poised for recovery. Real estate often offers such opportunities, with prices dropping significantly, and providing a prime buying moment for those with ready capital. Approach each investment with caution. Fully understand the asset, have a clear exit strategy, and never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Diversifying your investments can also help mitigate risks, spreading your exposure across different asset classes. This strategic approach not only prepares you for the downturn, but also positions you to emerge financially stronger. Being ready to act when others are hesitant can set the stage for substantial gains. Adopting these strategies doesn't just safeguard you during a downturn. It expands your future choices from buying your first home to launching a business. Each step toward financial resilience today is a step toward greater freedom tomorrow. What changes could you implement today that would strengthen your position in a future recession? With a strong financial foundation in place, it's time to explore specific investment strategies that can transform a recession into a period of substantial opportunity and growth for you. The essence of profiting during a recession lies in knowing where to look. Assets frequently undervalued during economic downturns, such as stocks and real estate, often provide substantial returns once the economy begins to recover. Consider the real estate market during the 2008 crisis, where prices plummeted. Investors who seized the opportunity to purchase properties at these reduced prices witnessed significant appreciation in their value over the following decade as the market recovered. Identify sectors known for their resilience or those likely to rebound quickly after economic downturns. Industries such as utilities, consumer staples, and technology have historically shown robustness during past recessions. Similarly, real estate in prime locations often recover swiftly. While the allure of potential profits is compelling, it is essential to conduct thorough market research and understand the specific risks associated with each investment type. Always consider the duration for which you can afford to have your capital tied up, as liquidity can be critical in uncertain times. Mitigate risks by spreading your investments across various sectors and asset classes. This strategy not only safeguards your portfolio, but also positions you to benefit from growth across multiple areas as the market recovers. It's important to remember that these investment opportunities often require patience. The most significant gains typically materialize as long-term rewards. This perspective is crucial for managing expectations and ensuring a strategic approach to recession investing. Imagine the potential to leverage market downturns to enhance your financial stability and grow your wealth. These strategies are accessible not only to seasoned investors, but also to beginners who are guided by the right strategies and mindset. Armed with this knowledge and a clear investment strategy, you are now equipped to make informed decisions that could significantly enhance your financial portfolio, both during and after a recession. Think about your current investment portfolio. Where could you apply these recession-proof strategies to not only safeguard, but also expand your investments? Imagine the impact of these strategies on your life. Envision making informed choices that foster growth and stability, even amidst economic uncertainty. The time to prepare isn't after the economy shifts, it's now. Start today by reassessing your financial plans, refining your investment strategies, and deepening your understanding of financial markets. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. If this video opened new perspectives or enhanced your financial planning toolkit, please like, share, and subscribe. Your engagement is crucial as it enables us to deliver more empowering content to this community. What's one immediate action you can commit to this week to enhance your preparedness for economic fluctuations? Drop a comment below. We value your insights and are eager to see how we can further assist in your financial journey. Every financial decision you make is a building block towards a more secure and prosperous future. Thank you for spending this time with us today. Here's to building a resilient financial life, equipped to thrive no matter what the future holds.